Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can get the Fortnite on your Motorola smartphone. So when we enter the Play Store and try to get it right here, let's type Fortnite. As you can see, we cannot find this game because it was removed. So we have to go for our browser, tap on the search pool and type here APK Pure. Enter the apkpure.com website, click on the search pool and type here Fortnite. Select this application and tap to download on the Epic Games. Click right here, click download, click OK and tap on the open. Click install. Right now we can open our launcher. And right now we have to select our game. Click install. And we have to wait until it finishes download. Let's tap on the settings and use the switcher. We have to accept the permission to allow install apps from the source, of course from the Epic Games launcher. Click install. Right now tap open, click continue, click OK. And right now you have to tap to find my account, but if you don't have, you have to create a new account. But I'm going with the first option, and here we have a lot of methods to log in. You have to pick up your favorite. I'm going to sign in with the Google account, and right here you have to input your email and also the password. So let me do this. Okay, I don't want to save this password, and right now we have to wait until our game pop-ups. And we are going to start to download the whole game. So click here. And now just wait a few moments until all of the game will be finished. Okay, and we are almost finished with the download process, and right now we have to wait until the game just restart. Okay, we have to skip this video right here. Okay, we got it. Close and just go for the game. We are in the squads. So right now we are waiting for the matchmaking. As you can see, the game is working, and I think that was pretty easy. I hope that I'll help you guys. If I do, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!